Yeah, foreign toe. Go green. Baller. Swift. Ha. 2014. Highway. 2014. It ain't take nothing to go green, cause I was already smoking green, trying to get the green, trying to see the green. Jaguar with the cream material, swerve on, bump and go green in the stereo. Green-eyed dame, giving brain while I'm staring her straight to the telly, then proceed to killing her softly. Now get up off me, my green ups help me tread softly through the motherfucking streets. I'm a motherfucking beast. Go green, Bruce Banner. I roll with some Thor-ass niggas that use hammers. Since back when rappers had a DJ and 2 dancers, I was stunting like showing up who's the master. Ahead of my time, rappers had to think faster, questioning the game, and I had all the answers. I walked the green mile, laid in the green pasture, and smoked till I seen the ghosts of deceased rappers like Eazy-E, Heavy D, Big L, Biggie, Tupac, Guru, Pun, and Pimp Sizzy. They looked down and told me to keep doing my thing. Don't worry about the haters, they peasants and you a king. So I'm out here trapping, hustling green beans. Fatigue's marine green, the streets is my green screen. No video, hear me though? Serial killer flow, iller than the illest flow. Give it a minute though, I steam collard greens, call it marijuana sauna. With green booger buds that cure your insomnia. Never forget to remind you, roll the ganja. Green Dutch, Philly, Fanta, I will sponsor Neo in the flesh, a straight glitch in the matrix. You Agent Smith niggas can't take it, you basic. I'm complex like the mag. Don't make me flex the mag and leave you in the fabulous dream, then throw you in the bag. And did I mention that New York is bad? Cause I threw it on my back, now I'm here. We clear? Go green,
go green, go green, Green Bay, I'm so green. Bars have you stuck like you OD'd on that codeine. Bars have you stuck like you OD'd on that codeine. Bars have you stuck like you OD'd on that codeine. Go green, Green Bay, I'm so green. Bars have you stuck like you OD'd on that codeine. Bars have you stuck like you OD'd on that codeine. Bars have you stuck like you OD'd on that codeine.
Brown, try your luck, nigga. Spar with the guards. Haters are secret lovers with a scar on they heart. While white folks investing, stocks in some bonds, niggas in the hood investing. Rocks in some arms, blast shots at your squad. Watch your top, never nod or sleep. Hustle hard till those cops get involved. As the world revolves, we evolve or regress. Lot of souls in distress, lives with regrets. Testimony after the test, matrimony after the sex. My flow's retarded like offsprings after incest. Nevertheless, bars never dumb down, leave them dumbfound. Rip a track like I just heard a gun sound. You saying bought with it, first place, finish it. Smoke green all day like it's Earth Day in this bitch. Cocaine sentences, get your lines up. My lines make them fiends, see the way they line up. Bars razor sharp, give your man a line up. Money stack like my bank account, throwing signs up. My swag be heaven sent, resembling the guard up. Best offense is defense, so I keep my guard up. Get blown out, washed up, I leave them starstruck. Hood rock star, still slightly off my rocker. Rolling pot up just to escape my conscience. Encounter conflicts in life to figure out the concepts. Understand the process, learn to make some progress. Be surprised, but common sense ain't very common. For extra commas on checks, shoot at moving targets. Shots bust, you identify them flying objects. Not extraterrestrial, make points to add decimals, but won't sell my soul to maximize my revenue. Don't sleep on my net worth. Baller Brown's a triple G. AT&T shit use me as they network.
Go green, Green Bay, I'm so green. Bars have you stuck like you OD'd on that codeine. Bars have you stuck like you OD'd on that codeine. Bars have you stuck like you OD'd on that codeine. Go green, Green Bay, I'm so green. Bars have you stuck like you OD'd on that codeine. Bars have you stuck like you OD'd on that codeine. Bars have you stuck like you
every time your boy Chris show up, they like, oh Lord, the flow's intense.
intimidating, cause I'm a musical warlord. You wanna play the game? I'ma warn you right now. My stats so high, motherfucker scoreboard. I'm just saying this to make myself feel better. But it's the truth, bitch, I'm the meaning of a go-getter. Cause I go get anything I want. You don't wanna be around when I'm moving. I spark you up like a blunt and leave you in a state of confusion. Cause I can never be playing a role looking like these suckers. I had to show on my world, I had to go gutter. I make music that forms gangs with no colors. Keeping the G, fuck a demon that try to control others. Screaming all my life, I wanted to be a rap star. All these demons want me to be a dummy. Before I dumb down, I'ma make you look dumbfound. Spit all this real shit and still get money. Still be getting bitches, have them obey my wishes. All my money is here, y'all should get some extensions. These niggas be hating on me like I took a part of their pension. And that's the reason they name ain't worth it to mention. So now I'ma bring that crack out. Got the beat in the backseat and the blackout. Get top and ski in the back out. Got work like Chief Keef in the trap house. I got bars, I will never be maxed out. And I'm not talking about the bail whenever I tell you I cash out. My lyrics are last shout. But let's get back to this music. How y'all was born to misuse it. What the fuck is a punchline? With Mr. Swift is a living, now you get stupid. I'm chucking the deuces, I'm making myself exclusive. This shit is a walk in the park, therefore your music is amusement. Fuck being a gentleman to beat some sexually abusive. I got that trapper can and hammer, she soaking up all my juices. So fuck how you feel, you move apart, you're not a movement. You won't get far trying to use me, cause you useless. Students, y'all can all come aboard. Just give me the tuition your family can afford. Exercise your brain until you reach the very core. They gon' get this money and buy your girl some juicy guitar. Huh? Go green, nigga. What? Go green, Green Bay, I'm so green. Bars have you stuck like you OD'd on that codeine. Bars have you stuck like you OD'd on that codeine.
Bars have you stuck like you OD'd on that